Welcome back. Once again, I'm Sharon, and I hope this finds us well. So, I am going to be taking you through another session, and in this session, I'll be creating a presentation with you, and I hope you tune in and follow me step by step. And as we learn something, so I'm going to open my PowerPoint and I'm going to choose a slide layout for my presentation. I'm going to use this slide. It's called the title slide. So I'm going to use title slide for my presentation here. I'm going to go ahead and show you how we can make use PowerPoint to create our presentation, our slideshows. So on this slide, I'm going to enter the saying click to add title. I'm going to enter my topic here. So I'm going to enter the topic which I'm going to talk about. Let me say I'm talking about drug administration. I'm going to talk about drug administration. Drug administration. Okay, there it is. Let me change this font. It's too big. Maybe change it to, it's too much. Can change it to something which is at least, so I can change it to that, and I'm going to bold it. So I'm going to continue here. And okay, I'm going to put my name by who. Sharon Ongulu878. And who is Sharon? Faculty of Education. Education. Let's change the font size. It's too big. This is okay. Go ahead and start. And I can put here a number 078. Like for example, this is the number I'm going to create, and enter 176666. Okay, I'm going to enter my email address. Maybe it's Sharon@gmail.com. Okay, so I've already created my first the title. I've created this part. Oh, sorry. Let me just correct something here. Okay, that is basically that. So here in this, let me first change font style to new time. New time romance. I want to change the font style. It's at least one of the formal styles that we use when we are creating our documents and editing our documents. So I'm going to change to New Time Romance, and there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll in this next subtitle, this placeholder where there is a subtitle, I'm going to enter my course outline, I mean the presentation outline. So I'll have the presentation outline. So I'll go ahead to say I'll have an introduction. I'm going to have definition. Of drug administration. Drug administration. I'm going to have I'll have administration, roots of administration, roots of drug administration, sure. I'll have enter there. I'm going to have drug dosage forms. I'm going to have factors affecting drug administration. Okay, so this is what I'm going to have in my subtitle placeholder. So I'll come and edit this. I want to reduce the font size to, I can bring it to 12, to 12, I mean there, and I'll maybe put the left, and I can put an outline to it. I can do this. For that, can edit this and bold it probably, and reduce the font size to this can be good enough. So I will go ahead. So when this is done, I can go to the next. I can request for a new slide because I'm going to need more slides. I can still use the same slide layout. So in this new slide, I'm going to talk about my first was introduction. So I'm going to put here drug administration. So very big font size. So I'll say drug. Consider the administration. And I say, I'm going to say it involves delivery of drug. It's a process. Yes. Is a process. I'll say drug is delivered to the body. Therapeutic effect is achieved. Okay, so as you see that, I'm going to go ahead and edit to my left. I'm going to reduce on the font size for this. Okay, I'm going to reduce on the font size for this. I want to make it at 15, 16, maybe what is this, 18, it's okay. I'm going to edit and say I want it in small letters, sentence case for all. I know where that is. Okay, then I need space. I'm going to have here bolded, and I'm going to that, and you can put in highlights. You can use this. This highlights is for this. Oh yeah, let me copy this. I'm going to cut it and put in a wrong place. Cut. This is going to be here. So drag admission will be left on its own, as the title page. So this, I'm going to highlight it and then put left, and then go ahead to insert those dots for all. Okay, so let me reduce something here. I'm trying to edit my work so that I can have something that is presentable to my audience. So okay, so this, I'm going to go ahead and say I want to insert wow, data just disappeared like that. So this I can also still insert. Okay, let me use that. So that can be as that, and then I'm going to go ahead to make the intro. This is definition, the introduction, I mean. So I'm going to get a new slide, and I say I'm going to look at the definitions, or I can still squeeze it in the same slide. Here, tap and enter, say definition. Drug administration is a process by which drugs are delivered in the body to achieve a therapeutic effect. Okay, so this is by definition what our drug admission means. Change to sentence case, and that is it. My PC is very slow, and sometimes it consumes a lot of time. So this is what I'm having. So I can go to my next and I say I'm going to look at dosage forms. I mean the routes for administration. Routes of drug administration. So I can control change, reduce this font size. Bold it a bit, then click here and say oral route. Injection route. Injection route, topical route, yeah. So some drugs are administered in different routes. Topical routes. We have which other routes could we be having that I've not treated? Sublingual routes. And so on and so forth. So I can, I'm going to highlight this. I make a left alignment, and I can say I want that to be, that's how I'm going to put it. So I'm going to go ahead and open another new slide where I'll be talking about the dosage forms. So the dosage forms we can have injections, tablets, stroke capsules, inhalations. We also have those that are in form of what? Pessaries, We can have syrups. Yeah, you can use this for example. So I'll go ahead and highlight, make a left or right alignment, and then for all, make a left alignment, and then I can do that. So I've talked about the dosage forms. I can go ahead and open another slide where I'll say factors affecting. Drug administration. Go ahead and highlight it, reduce the font size. Is it okay? Then I'll come here and enter the factors I know that are affecting patient compliance. Route of administration also affects route of administration. Timing for the administration of drugs. Other factors can be like cost. So I'm going to highlight this left alignment, and I will use that. So I'm done with what I had outlined before in my presentation outline. So this is what I have. So I'll go ahead. For example, I'll come to this and I'm going to edit this a little bit. I want to say in this I want to create the designs. I'm going to use the designs. For example, let's say I want presentation design styles, fonts. So I can say maybe I want to use this for my designs, but though the words are not very clear here, but when I use that, you can apply. Yeah, I think I can apply that. And then I'll go ahead and say I want to have, what else do I want to work on? Maybe under that is insert. I want to insert images. Okay. Come around and I want to say I want to insert here an image on. So I'll come to download my image, probably outline image. Image for PowerPoint. Presentation. So let me search for an image here, and then you can see I can say let me choose this, and I'm going to insert this image here. So what I'll do to make this more understanding, I'm going to insert an image to my work, to my slide. I said I want this for my first slide, and I'll be having an image on my slide there showing the outlines. So I'll go ahead and say I want for this image where I have drug administration, can say I want to have insert image. I'm going to insert image for drug administration. Image of drug administration. Let me see what I'll get. So I can really play around this. Let me say, let me insert this. My computer is still processing the image, so let's hold on a bit. So let's say I'm going to insert here image for my drug administration. Image of drug administration. Whoa, what am I doing? Image of drug administration. So let me pick this image, for example, then I insert. So I have here image for drug administration here. I can get another. So you can keep putting something to at least motivate your audience who are listening to you. I'm going to this presentation is taking me a slow process, but I hope you are understanding the various things that I'm showing here. Okay, so let's wait a bit. Well, as you can see, the several images I'm going to use. We say lots of administration. Okay. So there are just a lot of images here, but you choose what is convenient for your audience. So I'll have those images there. So my dear viewers, this is how you use your PowerPoint. I'm going to bring in a few downloaded so many videos. images. Yet I want to put some of them. I want to put some of them. So many. Can't even remove some. I want to remove some of them, but I don't know. Really? Let me remove this. I downloaded so many images. Can't delete some. Remove this. So this is what I can do. Then at the end of it all, we'll be having a visual pleasing presentation for everyone. So you can go ahead and say you want transitioning. You want to use, starting with the first, let's say I'm going to use maybe, should I use fade? I can say I want to use this kind of transition, or I want to use this kind of transition, but I think it's better to come from this is nice, so I can apply that. So you realize that here you can have yes, say I'm going to have this, yes, and then you say I'm going to have this. Yes, so I can have those transitions for my, then go ahead, say maybe you want the animations, start with this, say I want to have, I want to apply this, floating. So you can apply those transitions and say slideshow from the beginning. Let's see how this comes out. So you can see that I have a visual pleasing presentation, and one is able to capture the data what I have placed. So when you come to slide layout, okay, if I go to so this is what you're going to get. See that? So that is all that I have for my PowerPoint presentation. I hope that you've got something and you've learned as well. Please, let's not get tired of tuning in, because what we share is very important. This is educative and we may need to apply them in one area or another. I want to thank you for tuning in and listening to me for this presentation. I would like to invite any comments or questions that you could be having there. Thank you.